Hello everyone, hi, it's Gabrielle here. I'm going to show you how to play Jingle Bell Rock today. So we have C, C major 7, C6, C7. Then we have a D minor, and we have a G7, and this is a G augmented, which is a very simple chord. First string, 2nd fret, and then 3rd and 2nd strings, 3rd fret. G augmented, then we have a F chord, and then we have an F minor chord, then we have a D chord, and then if you add your pinky in the 3rd fret on the 1st string, you get a D7. We could strum it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Another way you can do it, some fingerpicking style. String 4 and 3. So that's with your thumb and your first finger. And then pick these two strings, 1 and 2 together. And then back onto string 3. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime in jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle in the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. If you want to become a Patreon, patreon.com/Gabrielle Johnson Music. I'm here on YouTube to give free tutorials. I'm also over on TikTok. You can follow me there at GabJ Music. I do a lot of live shows and all sorts of things there. The website is gabriellejohnsonmusic.com.au. Please follow me and subscribe. Please like this video if you got something from it, and I'll see you next time.